Hi guys. First of all, I'd say thank you to getting 200 new followers. I know I haven't posted in a while. I've been going through a lot, so um, now I'll try to post a little bit more. But until then, you'll have to forgive me. Today I am going to share with you guys a tutorial on how to make a Dera. Dera is like a maxi dress that we wear at home and sometimes going out if you buy a fancy Dera. But I'm just making a normal Dera for homeware. It's a very comfortable piece of clothing, and depending on the type of pattern you use, it can be also very simple to make. And I'm going to show two methods. I have here 5 fabrics that my mom gifted to me. So we're going to be making 2 different types. So based on that, I've decided to use these 2 dresses. I'm going to show a nice photo over here to make or to create the pattern pieces. This Dera has pockets, while this one does not. And this Dera does not have shoulder seams, while this one has a shoulder seam. So I'm going to do a sort of combination of the two. So I'm going to make a Dera without shoulder seams, but with pockets. And for that, I have an old pattern that I drafted. If you don't have a pattern, you can just use a t-shirt, and if you mark around where you want your pockets to be when you're creating the pattern, then it's very easy for you. This pattern is not exactly the pattern for this too. It's an old pattern that I had that works just as well, and I'm feeling a little bit lazy, so laziness for the win. Anyway, funny thing I learned on TikTok, that in America, Deras are called Muumuus. So DIY Muumuu or DIY Dera, depending on what you want to call it. Yeah, let's get started. So that was me being very, very lazy and sewing Deras. I've made a total of 2 Deras today, and here is how both Deras look, and I hope you enjoyed my laziness and we get to see each other next time when I fix my Deras. Bye bye.